Hi guys, welcome to this system. It's the 17th of October and we're going to get an ISO from the internet, from ArcoLinux info downloads, from seedhost, and seedhost changed a little bit in design, much conciser, and you see here we go back 1 year at the most. I took one from September and we are now October, the 17th of October, and this is already for the November release. Left.wm is there already, you can play with it. What we're going to do is show you that this is possible. What do I mean with this is possible? Although Dusk has been included like for a few days, an older ISO, hear what I'm gonna say, older ISO that's on somewhere on the internet will include the new developments and will give you the choice to install it. So I always say ISOs are a fixed moment in time, it's frozen, but our what if is incorporated in the Calamares, thanks to the great cooperation with the Calamares team. The what if that we had said, can we keep this dynamical? Can we keep these lines that are available to install dynamical? So if you got, and that's a very big if you got internet, so first, before you launch Calamares, make sure you got internet. Then he's going to get all these pages, all these things are coming from the internet. And what's available, as strangely as it may sound, something I haven't heard about a week ago, is on an ISO of September. And we are October now, mid-October. How strange is that, right? So in this case, I'm going to use this, and what you see is what you get, XFCE, and include something that just didn't exist a week ago. So next. Just showing you the flexibility of Calamares and why at all times I will say I stand by the developers. This is a great tool. Might I add, a great free tool. The result is going to be, of course, also XFCE, right? It's a combination of two of them. Voila. So let's wait for the update, for the installation, and then I'll show you that it's working just fine. And there we are, installed. So, how strangely as it may sound, we use an old ISO, we find a new desktop in there, and we say, that's quite strange. We log out and find ourselves with Dusk and XFCE. So the only thing is, you need to have internet for that. And suddenly an old ISO has the possibility of installing a desktop that was only developed a week ago. All right, enjoy.